Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about how you can get approved for a credit card up to $30,000. Yes, I said it, up to $30,000. So if this is something that you're trying to do, definitely stick around because I'm going to tell you how you guys can get this credit card. Now, if this is your first time watching this video or any of my videos, my name is Rickita. Make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe, and if you ever have any questions, make sure you guys go ahead and drop your questions down in the comments. Now, I don't want to waste y'all time. I want to get right on into this video and talk about this company. So with this credit card, you guys, you can get approved for up to $30,000. But I'm not going to hold y'all. You guys need to have a better credit score. Don't come with a 500 credit score, and I would even say a 600 credit score, and think you're going to get $30,000. I get tired of people like, Rickita, I thought I was going to get this credit card, but I told y'all about 15 different credit cards. And I told you the easier ones and then the harder ones to get, and you thought since you had a 600 credit score, you was going to get approved for a $25,000 credit card, $30,000 credit card. It's not going to work like that. When your credit score is that low, you probably need to remove some accounts from your credit report or boost your credit score to get a higher limit like that, or even have an opportunity to even get a credit card. So definitely check out my exclusive membership. It's only $1 trial to go ahead and sign up. Now with this credit card, you guys, you have to have a membership. So let me go ahead and just say the credit card. It's the BJ's credit card, you guys. Now you're going to have a membership with them to be able to get this credit card. But if you guys shop there, then you should already just apply for it. Like, why not? Because you guys are going to get that 5% back. So if you guys shop there, you guys are going to get the 5% back, and then they have so many other opportunities where you guys can get cash back. Like, look at all the different ways you guys can actually get cash back. Now, the thing I don't like about them, and Capital One too, so if you guys know, then you know, Capital One, when you apply for them, they're going to pull all 3 credit bureaus. And I've been doing a lot of research on this card, and it looked like they're going to pull all 3 credit bureaus. So it's like a hit or miss. Just make sure your credit is good, you guys. And when I say good, just make sure your credit score is over that 700. Make sure you guys don't have any negative accounts. And when you apply for credit cards, you better not be applying for credit cards when you have high utilization. You better make sure your utilization is low, and you guys should have a great chance of getting approved for these credit cards. I told y'all about another client where it was as simple as her paying a little bit on her credit card, and her credit score went up 30 points and 28 points. Like, literally, she paid like $65 and I think like $30, and her credit score went up 58 points. So utilization is very important. So pay down your credit cards before you apply for these credit cards in the first place, okay? And then you guys have a greater chance of getting approved. Now, with this credit card, you're not going to have that annual fee, so that's good. You guys have a chance of getting approved for a credit card with a high limit like this without an annual fee. That means that you don't have to pay on it annually, and you guys still get great rewards. But understand too, I don't care what rewards you get with your credit cards. If you guys are holding a balance on your credit cards, I don't care how much cash back you're getting. You're paying more in interest than you're going to even get in cash back. Like, it's impossible to even really enjoy the rewards of the cash back if you're holding a balance. Try not to hold a balance on your credit cards. Try to pay them off right away. Like, as soon as you use them, as soon as you get your bill, make sure you pay off your complete balance. If you plan to use your credit cards after you pay off the complete balance, yes, your business. But understand that if you're holding a balance on your credit cards, then you guys, you're going to pay a lot of money, and you're not even going to see the rewards. And that's another reason why, if I was to use my credit cards, I feel sick. I really feel sick when I don't pay them back, like, seriously, because you're going to pay a lot of interest, you guys. The interest is a lot. And for this credit card, you guys, they have interest rates that's going to be basically like all the other credit card companies. So you don't want to hold any balance on this credit card. Like, seriously, don't hold a balance if you can help it. Now, again, you guys, you're going to be able to get up to 5% cash back on your purchases when you're shopping at BJ's. And then, you guys, if you're having problems with gas, everybody is having it with paying all these high fees. We got to pay for gas. You're going to get 10% per gallon. You're going to save 10% per gallon when you shop and you actually go to their gas station. So that's good. I talked to you guys about the Wawa credit card. Definitely check that out here. They actually have different things like that too, where you guys can actually have a discount. So check them out. I love Wawa. Y'all can go in there and get something to eat. I really like their credit card. So definitely check it out. I have that video here for you all. But even if you don't go to their gas station, you guys are also going to get the 2% back at other gas stations. So you don't have to actually go to their gas gas station to just get rewards. You guys are always also going to get the 2% back if you guys are dining out. So that's really good, especially those people that's a foodie. If you like to eat, you guys are going to get that 2% back. And there's other credit cards that can give you that too. But with this one, you guys are going to get that higher limit. That's like the best thing. You guys know that you can get up to that $30,000. Now, if you guys really like this credit card, definitely check out other companies, other credit unions that can give you high limits too. So other companies I like to talk about, especially if you're trying to just get pre-qualified, because with this one, you don't get pre-qualified. Like when you apply for this credit card, it's whether they're going to give it to you or they're not going to give it to you. That's it. So, you know, you got to just take your chances. But if you guys apply for the Navy Federal Credit Union, then you guys can get approved for a credit card up to $50,000 with them. But look right here, you guys, $20,000 approval, $25,000 approval. That is good for a lot of people, especially if you're in the building stage and you finally got to the point where you're like, I'm built, I think I'm at the end, I need to get more credit cards. Try to see if you can pre-qualify for Navy Federal, because they can possibly give you 2 of their nice credit cards. Now understand this, they can want to pre-qualify you for a credit card. So if they say that they cannot give you a credit card, then you do not apply for any of their credit cards. You see what they can pre-qualify you for, and then you get whatever credit card they can pre-qualify you for. Now I'll make sure I have other credit cards in the comments, so definitely check it out. And I'm going to make sure I have my playlist, you guys can check it out. It's going to be a playlist of all the credit card companies, so go ahead, click on it, scan through it, see which ones you like just play the playlist. If you don't know what to apply for, you like, I don't know, I'm just gardening right now, I don't know which credit cards I want to get, go ahead and just play the playlist, you guys, and just let it play in the background. So when it's time for you to get credit cards, then you can go ahead and know which credit card you want to actually get. Now 2 other companies that can actually pre-qualify you for a credit card is Capital One and Discover. I tell everybody about these credit cards because they can pre-qualify you, and I don't care where your credit is, if it's awesome or if it's really bad, they have a credit card for you, because they even have their secure credit card for people with bad credit. So I don't care where you're at in terms of credit. Try to see if you can pre-qualify for Capital One and Discover. It's the same thing with Navy Federal. All 3 of them can pre-qualify you for their credit cards. And all 3 of them too, if you guys have to get a secure credit card, maybe you've been nosy, maybe you're watching this video and you really can't get this credit card, but they can actually give you a secure credit card that's going to graduate to a regular credit card. So I really like those companies. If you guys ever have any questions or you want me to do a review on a certain credit card, definitely let me know. Leave it down in the comments. I'm definitely here to make more videos for you guys on these different credit card companies. Now, if you're having a hard time getting approved for these credit cards, sign up for my exclusive membership. I have my $1 trial. That's where you guys will learn how to remove accounts from your credit reports. I can actually help you with that process. You guys can see which credit cards you might want to apply for, and then you guys will have more access to me too, where you guys can schedule a call where we can talk, we can look at your credit reports, we can see what you have to do. If you have certain credit goals, like some of my clients, like I want to buy a house, Rickita, we sit, we talk about how to actually, what they got to do actually buy their house. I connect them with a realtor, I connect them with a mortgage company. It's perfect for those people that have goals that they want to actually accomplish. A few of my clients, they're getting Amex credit cards, they're getting Navy Federal credit cards, they're really doing big things. And when I say big things, I mean they're actually tackling goals. Like look at these results right here for my clients with their credit score is going up. Like a lot of things is really happening in exclusive membership, and I'm really proud about that. So definitely go ahead and sign up for the exclusive membership. It's a $1 trial for you guys to actually sign up. Now if you guys love this video, then I know you guys are going to love my other videos, so go ahead and check out these other videos that I have right here. And I really think you guys should just check out the playlist. Like really, my credit card playlist have it all, so definitely check that out. And if you guys have any questions, don't forget, you guys can always schedule a call. I'll see you guys in the next video.